Hello students. So in this lecture we are going to see the problem based on negation of a compound statement. Negation of a compound statement. How to find the negation of a statement. So it is your exercise 1.4 from new syllabus. I have solved some problems and जो मैंने solve नहीं किए हैं problems वो आप खुद solve कर सकते हो using these problems. So I have written question number 1. Check here. Using rules of negation, write the negation of following statements with justification. Now first statement from your exercise, it is given that negation Q implies P. First problem is negation Q implies P. Find the negation of this statement. So what is the solution? We have to find the negation of this statement. So I have written here negation of as it is statement as it is. Negation Q implies P. So what is the middle connective here? Middle connective is implies. Middle connective is implication. So we will apply here the rule of negation of implication. Negation of implication. And क्या था rule क्या था? What was the negation of? What is the negation of implication? Negation of P implies Q is it is equivalent to P and negation of Q. We have seen this in last lecture. Negation of P implies Q is P and negation of Q. First statement and negation of second statement. So here what is the first statement? First statement is negation of Q. So first statement as it is, middle connective and negation of second statement. So negation of second statement. Negation of second statement is negation of P. So first statement and negation of second statement, it is negation of implication. Again it is equivalent to what is the next step? Now see here both the terms is having negation sign, so you can take out here negation common, or in disjunction what we have seen, see if you take out here negation sign common, it is and is replaced by or, so it is negation Q और P विच इज़ अ निगेशन ऑफ डिसजंक्शन. आप RHS से LHS में आ रहे हो. निगेशन ऑफ डिसजंक्शन का जो रूल था ये था LHS और ये था RHS. सो यहाँ पे RHS से हमने LHS पे अप्लाई किया है. सो ये हो गया निगेशन ऑफ दिस स्टेटमेंट. निगेशन ऑफ द स्टेटमेंट निगेशन Q इम्प्लाइज P. सिमिलरली द सेकेंड प्रॉब्लम चेक हियर, जो आपके एक्सरसाइज का थर्ड प्रॉब्लम है. आई हैव रिटन दैट P और निगेशन ऑफ Q. फाइंड द निगेशन ऑफ द स्टेटमेंट P और निगेशन ऑफ Q. So negation of P or negation of Q. What is the middle connective here? Middle connective is disjunction, or middle connective is or, which is a disjunction. So we have the rule for disjunction. We seen in a De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law, apply the first negation to the first term, or is replaced by and apply the negation sign to second statement. So negation of negation Q, which is a negation of disjunction. Negation of disjunction. So next, and what is negation of P as it is and as it is negation of a negation. Negation of a negation is statement itself. Negation of negation is statement itself. So in this step we applied negation of a negation. Next, problem number 5. So P implies P or negation of Q. P implies P or negation of Q. We have to find the negation of this statement. Now what is the solution? See, negation of, I have written the statement in a bracket. The same statement I have written here. P implies P or negation of Q. Now again what is a middle connective? Middle connective, this is the first statement and second statement. And here what is the middle connective? Implication. So what is the rule for implication? Negation of implication. We seen in a last problem. First statement P as it is and negation of second statement. First statement and negation of second statement. So first statement and negation of second statement, which is a negation of implication. Next, if you see here P as it is and is also as it is, now we will apply this negation sign inside the bracket. Now here middle connective is or. Middle connective is or, so we will apply here the rule of negation for disjunction. So here negation of P or is replaced by and negation of negation Q. Negation of negation Q. We applied here negation of a disjunction. Next, it is equivalent to P and negation P as it is and as it is negation of a negation Q is Q itself. So we applied here negation of a negation. Now check here, we have to just find the negation of the statement. We have to just find the negation of the statement. Further, if see it is not given simplified, simplify नहीं दिया. अगर simplify दिया है तो इसके आगे फिर से आपको जाना है. You have to apply this rule विच इज़ अ डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव लॉ. अगर सिंप्लीफाई बोलते थे तो क्या करते थे, इसके आगे हम ये यहाँ पे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते थे, बट इट इज़ ओनली रिटर्न फाइंड द निगेशन और राइट द निगेशन ऑफ द स्टेटमेंट. सो इट इज़ अ निगेशन फॉर द गिवन स्टेटमेंट. यू कैन स्टॉप हियर. दिस इज़ अ निगेशन ऑफ द गिवन स्टेटमेंट. नेक्स्ट 7th प्रॉब्लम, P or negation of Q implies P and negation of Q. This is the 7th statement. We have to find the negation of this statement. So I have written negation of the statement in a bracket. पूरा का पूरा स्टेटमेंट हमने यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट में डाल दिया है. अगेन द मिडल कनेक्टिव इज इम्प्लीकेशन. फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट, सेकेंड ब्रैकेट, मिडल कनेक्टिव इज इम्प्लीकेशन. एंड व्हाट इज द negation of implies? First statement and negation of second statement. First statement and negation of second statement. Negation of implication. I have written the rule here. Once again I have written the rule. First statement and negation of second statement. So I have applied that rule here. First statement and negation of second statement. Next, first statement as it is, P or negation of Q, and is also as it is, and in the bracket we have applied this negation sign. In the bracket we have applied this negation sign. So what is the middle connective here? And. So negation P and is replaced by or and negation Q. Now here negation of negation Q, I have written directly Q. Negation of negation Q is Q itself. So we have applied here negation of a conjunction. Middle connective क्या था यहाँ पे? And. So we have applied here rule negation of a conjunction and negation of a negation. Negation of a negation also. So this is a required negation. इसके आगे और कुछ भी simplify नहीं होगा. Okay, इसके आगे कोई भी negation नहीं आएगा. Simplify हो सकता है ये, लेकिन इसके आगे कोई negation नहीं आएगा. So this is end. Okay. Next, problem number 8. Negation P or negation Q or P and negation Q. ये भी आपके एक्सरसाइज का प्रॉब्लम नंबर 8th वन है. You have to find the negation of the statement. So what I have written here, check here. So it is negation of, पूरा ब्रैकेट फिर से यहाँ पे डाल दिया, जो आपका स्टेटमेंट था पूरा का पूरा यहाँ पे लिख दिया हमने. I have written the statement. Okay. Now check here. See, middle connective is or. Middle connective is or. So we will apply here. This is the first statement, middle connective and a second statement. So middle connective क्या है यहाँ पे? और. So we will apply here negation of disjunction. Negation of disjunction. So negation of a first statement, negation of first statement, or is replaced by and negation of a second statement. Negation of a second statement. And next step, we will apply this negation sign inside the bracket. We will apply the negation sign inside the bracket. So it is negation of negation P, or is replaced by and. Negation of negation Q is Q itself and as it is. Again here for second bracket we will apply the negation sign. So it is negation P and is replaced by or and negation of negation Q is Q. So which rule we applied here? See, और के लिए हमने कौन सा रूल अप्लाई किया था? and. So और मतलब क्या? negation of disjunction, और and का यहाँ पे negation आ गया और. So negation of conjunction. So we applied here negation of disjunction and negation of conjunction. Okay, so these two rules we applied here. So this is nothing but negation of a compound statement. Negation of problems based on negation of a compound statement. Now next, your question number 2 is rewrite the following statements without using if then. So in this statement, if then is already given, we have to rewrite the sentence without using if then. और इसमें जो है प्रॉब्लम, जो क्वेश्चन दिया है आपका, स्टेटमेंट दिया है, उसका मीनिंग भी चेंज नहीं होना चाहिए. दे शुड बी इक्विवेलेंट. ओके, सो